Oh, hello. After 2 to 3 to a million years of being on Influenster, your girl finally got a VoxBox. Welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a great, fantastic, amazing day. Like I said, 2 to 3 years of being on this damn website, finally got a VoxBox and I'm so excited about it. I've already opened it and like taken all the packaging and stuff off, but I wanted to do an unboxing and show you guys what's inside. Yeah, I will put my referral link for Influenster in the description because I think if you sign up, I just get like points towards my account. Like it's not like a monetary thing or anything, but totally sign up. Like I don't have a big social media following and I still got a box after a million years, but it doesn't matter what kind of following you have because I think a lot of it's based on demographics and whatnot. So definitely sign up and give it a shot. I have coworkers who've gotten way more boxes than I've ever gotten. This is my first box, so let's open it up without further ado and see what's inside. So exciting. Whoa, 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 whoa. So this one's the Year of You VoxBox. It has like a little card in here that explains. So it says log into your Influencer app and check out the Year of You campaign, test out your products, and then you post on social media. But I'm only gonna post if I like them. By the way, these were sent to me for free, obviously, because you're supposed to try them out and review them. But I'm not about to pimp all these products out on my Instagram if I don't actually like them. So it came with 4, well, technically 5, but 4 little categories. I'll start with the most random thing, which was freaking pasta sauce. I'm like, where did this even come from? Although I do love pasta sauce and I will eat. I like use this on pasta, I mean on pizzas that I make at home. But it's the Classico It's the Classico organic pasta sauce, retails for $2.78, and it's their new organic line, which is why that's in this box. Certified organic ingredients to create a perfectly balanced and delicious sauce the whole family will love. I mean, I'm sure it's great. Oh, it's got a lot of sugar, 10 grams of sugar. Usually I used to buy these from Sprouts, like the Sprouts brand, and it would have 2 grams of sugar. I don't like sweet, I don't know, I'm very sensitive to like sweet sauces. It bothers me, but I will try this out. I don't know. It is gluten-free. Now onto the actual body and makeup and etc. They gave me 2 products from Kiss. So it's the Kiss True Volume Natural Plump Lash. And it has tapered ends. So it's like, it shows that it has like the tapered end instead of like the sharp cut, and then it comes with their little aloe clear drying strip lash adhesive, and it's brush on, which I think I already have. I think I have this already, but it's contact lens friendly, so I'm definitely gonna try these out. I have some lashes already, but I don't wear lashes very often, so I will test these out for sure. They look really beautiful, and I will report back if I like them, but that's that. I do really like this lash glue. I've used it quite a bit, so I like it a lot. And that one said, from subtle to glam, look at me lashes are yours in an instant with Kiss. With hassle-free application and so many flattering styles to choose from, it's never been easier to bring the salon home and do it yourself. You won't believe your eyes. You're funny, Kiss. Next is a deodorant, a dry spray deodorant from Suave. It's their dry spray antiperspirant deodorant, and it's in the scent Coconut Kiss. Coconut products don't always smell the best on me, I think with like my body chemistry or whatever, but I will try this out. It retails for $4.49 USD. It says Suave Dry Spray Antiperspirant Deodorant offers 48-hour protection that sprays on clear and is instantly dry for long-lasting wetness and odor protection. Interesting, I'm actually pretty excited to try that. The last thing that's in this little box here is Gold Bond Ultimate Overnight Deep Moisturizing Lotion. This retails for $7.99, and it says nighttime presents the perfect opportunity to revitalize the skin, but ordinary lotions can be too watery to have lasting effects. Gold Bond Ultimate Overnight Deep Moisturizing Lotion uses 7 replenishing moisturizers to hydrate skin, while hyaluronic acid locks in moisture while you sleep. So hyaluronic acid is awesome for moisturization because it does draw moisture like from the air into or onto your skin. I'm actually excited to use this, although I have to force myself to use lotion because I just get so lazy. I just like to use body oil in the shower. It says it has a calming scent. it smells like any other drugstore lotion in my opinion, but it's not like sweet or anything, which is nice. Yeah. So this is everything that was in the box. Like I said, I will test these out, and if there's anything I like, you'll probably see it in a favorites video or something at some point. But if you want to sign up, you can use my link. I'm honestly like not that impressed with this box. I don't know, it's just such a random collection of things, and I wish that they would like actually kind of look a little bit deeper into like who they're sending what to, because for me personally, like I think if they sent me like lipsticks or something, that would have been great, because that's what I do so much on my channel. Yeah, maybe a more personalized approach would be a little bit better, but obviously they're looking at this from a business standpoint, so I mean, I guess I can't blame them. Whatever they're doing is working, I'm sure. But I've been on there for years and I had never gotten a box before, whereas my coworker, she says she gets boxes all the time. So I think it's like possibly like a demographic thing or just luck. I don't know. If you want to give it a try, let me know. But let me know what your experiences have been with Influenster if you've tried them before. I really do wish I'd gotten like more makeup products, because that's kind of mostly what I like to do on my channel, but YOLO, at least I got a box. I'm not trying to complain about it, but just a very random mix, like pasta sauce and strip lashes. Well, that was everything that was in the box though, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think and if you have gotten a VoxBox before. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.